So today at Microsoft's Devices event in New York, we finally got our first look at the company's new flagship Windows 10 mobile-based devices, the Lumia 950 and the Lumia 950 XL. So both phones are pretty much completely identical. The one difference is that there is a 5.2-inch display on the Lumia and a 5.7-inch display on the Lumia XL. Also, there's a bit of a processor difference as well. The Lumia 950 has a Snapdragon 808 and the Lumia 950 XL has a Snapdragon 810. Both cameras have a 20 megapixel camera on the rear and a 5 megapixel camera on the front. And during the brief testing that I had during my hands-on time with both devices, they performed admirably under pretty horrible lighting conditions. The lighting at Microsoft's event was pretty bad, and both cameras still did pretty well. There's also a difference in battery size between the XL and the regular sized Lumia. The Lumia XL has a 3340 mAh battery and the regular Lumia has a 3000 mAh battery. And both devices also come equipped with USB Type-C, which is something we saw last week with Google's event as well. With both their new Nexus devices will come with USB Type-C as well. And my big takeaway from the event is that these phones seem to be on par with other flagship devices that are out there right now, from Samsung, Google, and in most cases even Apple. The one thing that Microsoft emphasized a lot during the press conference is Continuum. And in general, Continuum seems promising. I love the idea of being able to just plug my phone into a docking bay and have all of that information instantly appear on a larger screen and then be able to use a mouse and a keyboard with it. That sounds like a great idea, but in practice it'll be interesting to see how well it actually works. I saw a brief demonstration where a variety of Microsoft Office apps were shown off, some running on the phone, some running on a monitor, sometimes simultaneously, and it seemed pretty seamless. But this is the type of thing that you sort of need to get your hands on, and you need to stress test it to see how well it actually performs when using more resource-intensive applications. In terms of build, both phones are pretty much exactly what you would expect from a modern smartphone. They adopt the same slab type design that pretty much every smartphone uses these days. The back is polycarbonate, so you're not going to get that unibody stainless steel body that some other marquee handsets offer. But in general, it felt like a solid device. It had a fair amount of heft to it, and it felt good to use in my hand. For more awesome mobile related content, be sure to check out mobilesyrup.com as well as our YouTube channel.